Heath Grossman here for Money Wisdom Question Series. Today's question is, should I use AI for investing advice? A recent survey shows that 2/3 of Americans are already turning to generative AI for financial advice. But to what extent should you trust AI with your money decisions? Well, by the end of this video, you'll learn ways to safely use AI for advice on your investments. In the words of one of my favorite musicians and artists, the late, great John Prine, we are living in the future. This is the age of AI, right? We're all using it for a lot of different things. In general, AI tools can help efficiently analyze large data sets, can help generate ideas and support research. Right? So should we be using this when it comes to our investment or retirement planning decisions? Certainly, I think that when it comes to some aspects of technical analysis of things, it can be very useful, right? When you think about having a retirement income plan, something that we talk about very often and we stress the importance of, that's something there where you can use an AI tool where you could say, hey, this is my age, this is what my Social Security is going to be, my pension, what my expenses are. I want to factor in some inflation on those expenses. I also have some assets off to the side. Can I put this together assuming a reasonable rate of return and have enough income for the rest of my life to live my lifestyle, right? There's a technical analysis aspect of that which AI can be very helpful with. What are some AI risks and limitations? Maybe incomplete or biased data. When we talk about asset allocation, how to allocate our assets, what types of investments, tools, and strategies to use, right? Imagine a scenario of asking AI, hey, what asset allocation should I have if I am 65 years old, right? It'll probably spit out some type of answer, but is that answer the right answer for every single person in the world that's 65 years old, right? Maybe not, right? So it's going to lack some degree of soft analysis or personalization for you. Not everything in our industry is technical analysis. There's a soft analysis aspect of things. How to use AI in a smart, balanced way. Maybe use for lower stakes types of tasks, technical analysis, summarizing some information, right? Getting some hard data type of information. Diversify your research with other non-AI sources. Don't solely rely on AI. Stay vigilant, of course, against fraud and other, use and just make sure you use registered platforms, right? Use AI maybe as a supplement to face-to-face financial planning advice that you're getting from a trusted source. So once again, this is Heath Grossman for Money Wisdom Question Series. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, share it with friends and certainly give us a like.